Hi all, I'm Vaishnavi. A couple of weeks ago, I was part of the EmpowHER program. It was a 2-day residential program for women leaders. That was a very interesting experience because usually trainings happen within the four walls of corporate offices or training rooms or even virtually. So this was something different where we had a break from the hustle and bustle of city life. So the day started with a nice visualization activity. We worked backwards. There was a lot of self introspection and meaningful discussions. It gave me a lot of new perspectives when I discussed it with my fellow participants. Kudos to Shanti for coming up with this enriching program. We had yoga sessions, we also had guest speakers who came and shared their life experiences, which was very useful. The place was definitely a highlight. The cozy stay, delicious food, and amenities helped me relax and rejuvenate over the weekend. It was a nice break that helped me focus and relax at the same time. If you're wondering what to do over a weekend to make it more meaningful, give this a try. EmpowHER is definitely a one of a kind program where we have a lot of activities and a lot of meaningful takeaways to cherish for lifetime. Thank you.